Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 6, Quranic verses, Revering Allah and Piety, Taqwa. O you who believe, keep from disobedience to Allah in reverent piety, with all the reverence that is due to Him, and see that you do not die save as Muslims, submitted to Him exclusively. Surah Al-Imran, Chapter 3, verse 102. Keep, then, from disobedience to Allah in reverence for Him and piety as far as you can, and listen attentively, and submit to His commands, and obey Him, and spend in His cause and for the needy, as it is to the betterment of your souls. Whoever is guarded against the avarice of his soul, those are they who are truly prosperous. Surah At-Taghabun, Chapter 64, verse 16. Allah provides for him from where he does not reckon. Whoever puts his trust in Allah, He is sufficient for him for all his needs. Allah surely executes what He decrees. Assuredly, Allah has appointed a measure for everything. Surah At-Talaq, Chapter 65, verse 3. O you who believe, act in reverence for Allah and piously, without doing anything to incur His punishment, and always speak words true, proper, and straight to the point. Surah Al-Ahzab, Chapter 33, verse 70. O you who believe, if you keep from disobedience to Allah in reverence for Him and piety, He will make a criterion for you in your hearts to distinguish between truth and falsehood, and right and wrong, and blot out from you your evil deeds, and forgive you. Allah is of tremendous grace and bounty. Surah Al-Anfal, Chapter 8, verse 29. Hadith number 42, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Dhikr, 99. Abu Sa'id al-Khudri, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, said, "This world is green and sweet. Allah has put you in charge of it, so be careful how you behave. Beware of this world and beware of women." The first trouble experienced by the tribe of Israel was on account of women. Now, Hadith number 43, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Dhikr, 72. Ibn Mas'ud, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that the Prophet, peace and blessings be upon him, used to say, "O Allah, I ask you for guidance, fearful awareness, chastity, and independence." Hadith number 44, narrated in Sahih Muslim, Ayman, 15. Adi ibn Hatim at-Ta'i, may Allah be pleased with him, reported that he heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, say, "Whoever swears an oath to do something and then sees something nearer to taqwa than it, should do the thing which will result in more piety." Hadith number 45, narrated in Sunan at-Tirmidhi, Jumu'ah, 80. Abu Umama Sudai ibn Ajlan al-Bahili, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "I heard the Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, speaking in the Hajj of farewell. He said, fear Allah, pray your 5 prayers, fast your month, pay the zakah on your property, and obey your emirs, and you will enter the paradise of your Lord."